Hello, my name is Greg from Motor Match Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. This Toyota CHR crossover is available here in the range-topping XL version, with the exterior also finished in a stylish silver metallic colour. Being range-topic, there's plenty to enjoy with stylishly designed looks with this coupe sleek back, as well as you'll be pleased to know the car benefits from these grey-looking diamond cut alloy wheels to complement the look. Upgraded, facelifted full LED headlights with daytime running lights are available, as well as stylishly shaped LED tail lights. Boot space is also quite large and practical, easily enough for a week's worth of shopping. Inside, full black leather upholstery is available, along with two ISOFIX child anchor points for the little ones. In the front, you can enjoy a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, as well as front bucket sports seats to offer additional comfort. That same steering wheel will also operate an easy-to-operate color TFT screen, which has got everything you would want. Trip information, music and radio stations, various driver aids, and even satellite navigation guidance. Various safety functions are also available to keep you and your occupants safe. The floating tablet touchscreen will have all your entertainment needs covered as well. Featuring AM, FM and the DAB digital radio reception, you'll also be pleased to know there is easy-to-use Bluetooth telephony pairing for your device. Additionally, various apps are on offer, such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone interfaces. Helping you park is a rear view camera, fully complemented by front and rear sensors, as well as 2-zone climate control with heated front seats. RAC Extended Warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information about it or to arrange a test drive, please give us a call on 01270 864 408 or inquire online now. Many thanks for watching.